Hello students and welcome to 5th grade. My name is Mr. Pham and I will be your teacher this school year. I've been teaching since 2007. I spent my first 2 years teaching 1st grade, which was a whole lot of fun. I enjoyed their curiosity, their excitement. However, I was lucky enough to be moved to 5th grade. This will be my 10th year teaching 5th grade, and I have to say this is my favorite grade level. I have enjoyed every second of it. One thing you need to remember is that teachers are humans too. I will often make mistakes. You'll see me mess up. So please, do not expect perfection from me, as I will remember the same for you as well. As you will often hear me say, mistakes are proof that you are trying. Aside from teaching, I am married and I have 2 dogs and 2 cats. On my free time, I enjoy exercising, which involves hiking, running, and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Jiu-Jitsu is a form of martial arts. I often play some mobile games on my free time as well. This year, I will expect much collaborative work. This means you will share responsibility with others in order to solve problems and accomplish certain goals. With this in mind, you must remain open and responsive to different ideas. The second thing you need to know is that we will often use technology to access information, communicate, and complete certain tasks. You'll be expected to maintain a safe, responsible, and positive working relationship with your classmates. Now, let's work like a team and have a great school year. Goodbye.